Hi, my name's Joanna Cahill, and I'm the owner of Healthy Home Cleaning, based in Asheville, North Carolina. We specialize in green, non-toxic cleaning, and today I'm going to talk about how to remove rust stains from the inside of a dishwasher. So today we're going to be using just any kind of scrubby brush that you might have around with nice stiff bristles on it. I've got a couple lemons here. If you wanted to, you could also use lemon juice, the kind that you get out of the grocery store in the little tube container. Baking soda, and a pumice stone, which you can buy at any hardware store. They're fairly cheap, usually about $1. And vinegar, which is also really cheap, and you might have it underneath your counter, or you can purchase it at your local supermarket. All right, so first we're gonna go ahead and remove this bottom wrap, which you just roll right out, and then you can pick it up. Now, oftentimes around here on the bottom of your dishwasher is where you're gonna find the most rust and grime. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our baking soda. We're gonna go ahead and sprinkle it on the area that we're gonna start cleaning. Squeeze a little bit of our lemon onto the baking soda. Start to hear that fizz. And then a little bit of our disinfecting, cleaning superhero vinegar. And then we're gonna take our scrub brush, and we're gonna go ahead and work on those areas. Now, if you find that it's not coming off so easily off of yours, you can go ahead and take your pumice stone. You're gonna go ahead and dip the end under a little bit of water, and then you're gonna go ahead and work on the areas that are being particularly difficult for you until you get all that rust up. So after you're all done, you're gonna wanna go ahead and run your dishwasher to get rid of all the remaining cleaning residue that we've left in there. This is Joanna Cahill with Healthy Home Cleaning, and I wanna thank you for watching how to remove rust from the inside of your dishwasher.